you serious? You want me to film the alphabet? Oh, that's 26 videos. Fine, you convinced me. That's gonna come up next. Hi, I'm Mikey from the Crochet Crowd, and thank you so much for joining our channel today. I'm here to inspire you and create magic with your crochet hook. Are you ready to play?
Oh yeah, that sounds good.
Let's get right to the chase. If you're liking today's video, I would love it if you could click like. This helps me to know what to film next, because if I'm seeing an influx of a type of pattern or a type of concept, it allows me to look into the future to see what else I can do for this particular topic. Let's cut the chatter, let's get at her, and let's start talking crochet, and let's begin to play. Oh, that rhymes. So I'm going to start a journey of doing the alphabet more in a crafty sense of adding stuff to blankets and to do personalization. So I'll do that for you. It's 26 videos, but I cannot just push them all in one day, and I got to take the time to film. So what I'll do is I'll start working on that. So when you run into this video, you may not have all the whole alphabet available to you. So just be aware, I'm working on it. So personalization, this is going to make me look like a winner, baby. Maybe not. Get this, Sicily, 1958. Oh, I was just going on my own business on a crochet cruise, and one of the servers says to me, "Oh, you're from Canada." I'm like, "Oh, how do you know that?" "Oh, we know all of our guests, and we study the profiles so that we understand your needs better." I'm like, "Wow, that is completely amazing." And he goes, "Well, how's the weather up there?" And I'm like, "Well, it's pretty good." And, so I ended up getting served at the buffet, and I was like feeling really good about myself because, somebody actually was able to recognize my accent. So anyway, so I'm like, wow, I said the ship is going all out to be able to give me personalized service. And so I go back and I walk back to the table, and I said, "You will not believe how educated these servers are." I said, "They recognized that I was from Canada and was asking me about the weather." I said, "That's just remarkable that they do that." And the person at the table says, "What are you wearing on your head?" And I took off my hat, and it was my Canadian flag on my hat. They knew nothing about me. They were looking at my hat and saw the Canadian flag and said, "This guy's Canadian." So I was thinking they were brilliant. And so they were making me feel really good. But the people at the table was like, "Okay, maybe you should go sit somewhere else." Personalization. We like personalization. So that's what this particular video is going to be all about. So I'm going to commit to it. I am completely nuts. It's 26 videos. So at the time of this introduction, some of the letters may not be out, but I have to work on it. So there's kind of an unwritten rule on YouTube is that you only release one topic per day on YouTube. So I might need to sneak in a second topic and break all the rules. That's okay. I'm all about that as well. I like to think outside the box and outside the rules once in a while. So it will take time for the tutorials to come out and for our closed captioning team to work through that. So I'll commit to it. If you want it, we'll do it. Will I be happy about it? The jury is still out. Who knows? But until next time, we hope to see you again and see the playlist that's linked in the more information of this video if you like all the letters, and the letters will become available once they become available. I'm not giving you a date because then you get committed to it. Have a good one. It's Mikey from the Crochet Crowd. I know. They give any dummy a camera.